Hey everyone, welcome to my video. I want to show you how I decorated my console table here. It turned out really nice and pretty. We're very happy about this. So here on top I added pot with some pine cone, candles, and my handmade painting I added, and some pine cone here with the pot that I had, and couple branches. I added one here and one over here, and it turned out really nice. I found these branches from my backyard, and there's also pine cone leaves branches are from my backyard too, and one over there. And here in the bottom has a cute little basket that came with the flower pot I bought, and this is the oil lamp with the candle and a cute little rock there, and this kids books that I added here. I didn't buy any of these books, and this is, yeah, looks super cute and pretty. And these are the writings that I bought from Amazon. I'll leave a link below so you can check it out. And these two things are from Walmart, and also this canvas I bought it from Walmart, and I did my own painting here, so it looks super cute and pretty. So yeah, thanks for watching.